welcome back to my channel. My name is Deanna for those of you that are new. Let me actually turn off this heater for you guys because it's gonna talk over me. Okay, so it is official. I am finally moving to New York City. I found an apartment with two other friends of mine and we got a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, full 3-bedroom, like no flex situation for a great price, and we have a doorman, but it doesn't feel like not homey, you know, which I love. So I'm gonna share with you guys an empty apartment tour, and it's gonna be like a voiceover because I took a really short video of the whole apartment when it was empty, and I realized when I move in it's not gonna be empty because our furniture is already gonna be there. So I wanted to give you like a full empty apartment tour. I will obviously bring you guys along when I decorate and make a bunch of changes, when I move out, packing and moving in. Yeah, so it's not too far from my house because I live in New York, but I don't live in the city. So I am moving to the city and I'm so excited. So make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel if you're not already, and you guys can follow along the whole moving process and all that good stuff. Make sure to comment down below. Make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up if you like it and you want to see more moving vlogs, and comment down below what else you want to see from me. Make sure to follow me on Instagram as well because I will be posting updates there and all that fun stuff. So if you guys want to see my empty apartment tour, then let's get started. Okay, so here is the kitchen. There is a washer and dryer right near the stove, which is super weird, but it's normal for New York City. And then under the sink, there's a dishwasher, you got the fridge, the freezer, and we're gonna put an island in the kitchen, so it's gonna feel bigger and we'll have bar stools and all that good stuff. Here's the living room, super high ceilings throughout this whole apartment, which I love. We're gonna mount the TV on that wall and the sectional couch right across from it, which you guys will see in my upcoming vlogs as we decorate. And then you come into this massive coat closet, great for storage. You got built-in shelves on the side, high ceilings, and that's gonna be super helpful. Here is one bathroom. You got 2 big drawers for storage under the sink, a beautiful shower, as you can see, I don't need to tell you. And then across from the toilet, you can see there's a mirror, and you can open up that mirror and there's a bunch of storage as well, which is super helpful. And then you come down the hall to the second bathroom, which is exactly the same. You got the 2 drawers for storage. And then above the sink, you got the same mirror that opens up with storage. And here's the living room again. And you come into the first bedroom, which is actually my bedroom. We all have sliding doors, which is great for space. I got a big window with blinds, high ceilings. I'm standing in the middle of all these rooms, like in the kitchen and everything. When I showed it to you, I'm like in the middle of the room, so it looks much bigger in person than video. But here is my closet, high ceilings, which is great for storage. And on the right, you got the nice built-in shelves. So a lot of space there, which is super helpful. And then you come down the hall into my friend's bedroom. Same exact room as mine, same layout, just like flipped on the other side. And her closet doesn't have the built-in shelves like mine does, which you will see over here. And then you come across the other room, and here is my other friend's room. The only thing with her room is she doesn't have windows like me and the other girl has. She has plexiglass on the top, but one thing I love about this apartment is it's not a flex bedroom, it's a full 3-bedroom, so we all have like the same space. She just has like the plexiglass so she can get sunlight from the other room, which is great, but she has a good amount of space as well. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any tips or like decorating ideas, definitely leave in the comments down below. I'm so excited to decorate, and there's so much to obviously do, and it's around the holidays, so I'm gonna bring in my furniture and my clothes slowly and not because move-in day is like a little before the holidays. So once the holidays are over and everything is more settled, I'm going to move there just because I am work from home. So like I can work from here, and then like after work I can go in and like start moving myself in and take a weekend and do that. So like I don't want to live there until like everything's settled, you know, because I am working from home, so I need to make sure everything is working and like Wi-Fi set up and all that fun stuff. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm sorry it's not like a real official, it is an official empty apartment tour, but I'm sorry I'm not like talking when I wasn't talking when I was there, because in the video you'll see I think there were other people there and I didn't want to talk while they were there because people were looking at it, you know, but that is the exact apartment. And yeah, I'm so excited. We also have a really nice gym that we can use and for free. So I'm really excited about the gym because I work out every day and I work out at my house. So it's nice to have like a gym. And yeah, I'm just so excited to move, decorate, keep you guys coming along with me. I will show you how I pack, how I'm moving in and all that fun stuff. But make sure you're subscribed so you can follow along. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you in my next.